Hello guys, in this session, I'll explain everything about summer camp, what exactly summer camp, what are the skills you get if you register for summer camp, everything I'll give you a clear cut idea you get after the session. So we named our summer camp as AI summer camp. You can see this is all about data science and AI. So already the schedule is already given to you. You can go through that schedule, and before that, we named it as Dhaapps Summer Camp and Data Science and AI Traineeship. This traineeship is nothing but you get training as well as internship. You are going to get training certificate as well as internship certificate from Dhaapps company. Okay, so nowadays this internship is mandatory, and whatever the internship you are doing, that is a AICTE approval internship. Definitely for this, your college will give you credit. Okay, so this validity will be 4 years, guys. If you are a first year student, until the completion of your BTech, you are going to have the access to this summer camp, so you can revise the skills. Okay, so whenever you want, you can just watch the sessions what we completed in this summer camp. Okay, so now I already given you the clear-cut week-wise schedule, what exactly you're going to learn in this summer camp and what exactly you're going to do. Everything I just given it very clearly, and I just want to show you all those things one more time. You can see, guys, in first month will mainly will focus like the foundations will focus. Okay, I'll be giving you the introduction. So in this week, I'll give you solid introduction to data science and AI. And here we're going to learn everything which are needed for data science, the foundations like Python, which is needed for data science. And again, the question is why we are considering Python. Why? Because Python has many libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, Scikit-learn, all these libraries which are needed for data science and AI is available in Python only. So that is the reason we have to choose a programming language which is Python. Okay, so this will be first week, and in the second week onwards, we'll enter into the concepts of data science. Like we'll be seeing that the complete life cycle of a data science project. Weekly we'll be entering into the steps. As you all know, initial phase of life cycle of a data science project will completely depends on data cleaning. So second week will focus mainly on data cleaning. Different techniques are there, we'll focus on that. So in the coming third week, once data is clean, once the data is ready, you have to focus on analyze it. So EDA is very important task. We'll be focusing in week 3 on EDA. And parallelly, we need some statistical tools which we learn parallelly. So week 3 and week 4 will focus into analytics part with the help of statistics. So once we completed this part, once we got some EDA part, once you are aware of exploratory data analysis, the statistics and whatever the required mathematics and the foundations, once you're strong in this, a later stage in the second month will enter into this machine learning will enter. Okay, so we'll enter into the machine learning, and let me write down. You can see like the machine learning will discuss like supervised, unsupervised. We'll be discussing like all the major machine learning algorithms will be covered there. Okay, once we covered this machine learning part, we'll enter into this deep learning part. And deep learning will be covering ANN, CNN, RNN. So all the three traditional deep learning algorithms will be covering. And after that, we'll focus into NLP. Like NLP, it's a revolution. It's created revolutions in the recent times. Okay, so the generative AI, the chat GPT, like where is that foundation? NLP, like after learning NLP, like moving towards this latest generative AI projects. And week 8, I'll be distributing various projects to you. Okay, so that you people will get some practical work. And every algorithm, whatever we are going to discuss, in every algorithm, there will be a project. So every algorithm is a use case. Okay, and every use case we can consider as a project. And apart from this, for you, the practice, I'll be giving you 400 plus open source projects with source code. I'll be giving it to you. Okay, so that you can happily, you can go through that projects, and you can practice them. Okay, so after the summer camp also, you can practice them. Okay, so this is all about the live training, which is going to handle by me, Dharma Apna, the founder of Datascience. Okay, so apart from this, okay, this is okay. Summer camp, it's okay. Online training, you're understanding, you're getting the projects, you're practicing well, this is fine. And apart from this, as a computer science aspirant, as an IT job aspirant, or you want to upgrade yourself, you need some basic IT skills. You need some basic core computer science skills you need. Okay, so what are those skills? What are those skills? When it comes to that skills, okay, you have to be aware of networking. You have to be aware of networking. Okay, you have to be aware of networking. I'll write it here so that it will give you more clarity. Networking, you have to be aware of. And you have to be aware of a Linux operating system. And you have to be aware of, see, once whatever the projects you are done, so you have to in a position to post them in GitHub. And if you want to work together, you have to be aware of Git. So that knowledge also you'll get it. Networking, Linux, Git, GitHub. And this will be 15 days live training will be there for this. Okay, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. there will be 2 months live training for data science and AI. And apart from this, there will be 15 days live session parallelly. That timings mostly from 6:30 to 7:30. And if you miss the class, there will be a recording immediately, guys. Okay, so in this 2 months, there will be 15 days of this. And apart from this, you have to be aware of, to get into IT job, you have to be aware of one database. One database you need to be aware of. And most preferably, most used, MySQL. MySQL sessions are already recorded, and you can attend those recordings. And apart from this, you're going to learn front-end technologies. Front-end technologies, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap, you're going to learn it. And apart from this, there will be Python sessions. Okay, I think most of the people, you are already attending this Python in free sessions. And all these sessions will be available for you for 4 years if you register for summer camp. And for the free batch, there will be 30 days access. But if you join for the summer camp, the access will be 4 years. Now, when it comes to the pricing, we kept the price as 4 nines. We kept the price as 4 nines, that is 1 rupee less than 10,000. But considering the financial situation of all the students, okay, so we are giving the summer camp, we are allowing you summer camp at just 1,999. At just 1,999. Okay, this 1,999 includes 18% GST. Okay, but how you need to join? You have to use coupon code SUMMER. While paying the fees, it will ask you to enter the coupon code. You have to apply the coupon code SUMMER. Then automatically the price will become 1,999. 1,999. Okay. So I request you, every one of you, kindly use it. Everything whatever I given to you, that all available, the content is available, and what are the skills you're going to learn, everything is available there. You can go through this Dhaapps.ai website and you can join. And we are going to start our summer camp from 15th May. I request you all, kindly utilize this opportunity. This is the most affordable way to start your data science and AI journey. I hope it's very clear. Thank you so much.